Google hashtag Octane Red 392, one word. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red 392, as you guys already know. We're gonna start opening this box up right now. Before I open the box up though, if you wanna check out more awesome car content, and if you're a car enthusiast like me, go hit up FeedSpot. It's feedspot.com for the top 100 car enthusiast channels and awesome videos. So without further ado, let's start opening the box up. Also, big shout out to KeyBar. They made this awesome KeyBar. Has keys, and I just got one key on it right now, but you see, they do like personal stuff. So, see that? Sorry. But yeah, so stuff like that. This is just two of the attachments that come with mine that I chose. So there's my key. I got a flathead or a Phillips head screwdriver, and then this is the part that connects to my keys. Took all that stuff off. I just want to show this. And it's a magnet too, so it's a very strong magnet. Anyway, sorry about that. Back to the unboxing of this. And this, since you guys want to know, I'm gonna pull out the first product to see if you guys can recognize who this is from. All right, let's put that back. Sharp. Oh, look at all that. All right, so spray head loads. 3 of those. 4. So with that being said, you guys get any clues yet? Wash mitt, very nice. Oh, I think I got it. You see that? You guys see that? Poorboy's World. And this is everlasting ceramic coating kit for textured trim. Ceramic coating kit for smooth surfaces. So I got 2 different types of ceramic coating. 30 mil kit. All right, we got some spray and rinse wheel cleaner and leather, vinyl, rubber, plastic tires, and more. So something to hit the tires with, hit the plastic and rubber with. That's awesome. Let's see what else is in here. Super hydrophobic ceramic coating 30 mil kit. So this is another one for smooth surfaces. So it looks like the wife is getting her car ceramic coated as well. All right, we got a Super Slick and Suds concentrated car wash. We got a Poorboy's glass cleaner, streak free formula. Nice. Car care, some microfibers. Got 1 microfiber, 2 microfibers. And that's it. That's it. So, thanks for watching this unboxing of this awesome gift from Poorboy's. So, Poorboy's World, there's a logo. Go hit them up on Instagram, check them out. I've used some of their products before, they're awesome. They have awesome products on their website as well. Their website is in their Instagram bio, so you can hit them up there, go to the website, get some awesome stuff from there as well. I've used their stuff. I want to say it's some of the first things I used on my car when I first got my car. I just love it. I used it then, I use some of their products now, and this is their new super hydrophobic ceramic coating. So I'm pretty stoked to see how this is gonna turn out. I've never used ceramic coating before, so I'm gonna do some more research on this before I apply it. I don't want to mess up my car or my wife's car, but I've heard good things about it. Thanks for watching one more time, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Later. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!